In this video we are going to understand the mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and so on. So the first one is like adding two numbers. So in C, C++, Java, Python we write text-based coding like to add two numbers. Here we are doing the same thing like with block statements. So let's say when you execute this, so it is asking us like enter the first number, let's say 10. Then it is asking us for the second number, let's say 20, and it says the addition of the given number is 30. And what is the logic used behind this is this one, like it is asking us using this ask statement, we are letting the cat to ask us this particular message or this particular question, like to enter the first number. Whatever the value is given by us, that is by default in this answer variable, and we have created one variable named as a, and we are storing this in A. And you can see with the mouse pointer on the top left of the game stage, like A is having this value. Then after that it is asking us second value, enter the second number, and we are storing that in B variable here. And after that we are putting the simple formula like sum is equals to a plus b. So here we have to make a variable called sum, and we have to set its value to a plus b. So here we are basically using this additional operator. We are using these two variables and we are putting it here, and this total will be stored in this variable, sum variable, and we have to print it. So we have to print some value. So it's basically like we have to combine the message along with the number. So this is the message like addition of given numbers, and sum is having the total of it. Similarly, when we have to deal with the subtraction of the numbers, so what we are doing is we are simply changing the formula here that you can see. It was a plus b in addition, this is a minus b in terms of subtraction, and we have changed the name of the variable. Earlier it was sum, now is the difference, and we have to just change the message and the variable name here also. So if we execute this program, the difference of the numbers, it's asking us for the first number, let's say 12, and asking for the second number, let's say 10, and it says the difference of the given numbers is 2. So this is how the addition and subtraction is done. Similarly, for the product of the numbers, what we have done is the earlier part is same, like taking the first number and the second number, and then we are putting up, this is basically a message, this say statement. We have not put any formula here, this is only a message. This is text, then this is the first number, then this is again text, this is the second number, and so you can see the cat is just displaying that message for 2 seconds. And we have put the formula for the product up over here, like this one. So num1 multiplied by num2, this is the formula for product. So if we execute this, so let's say the first number is 2 and the second number is 7, so it says like the result of 2 and 7 is 14. So this is basically how the mathematical calculations are done.